Let's have a quick look at some Python to recap.
When you're a beginner with coding, it can be a little bit confusing to get your head around all the vocabulary. So we recently looked over strings, integers, comments and variables, and we're just going to quickly look over two more words as well. The words are input and output. Now input, anything that goes in. So food is an input to your mouth and your body, and output, well, you know when you go to the loo. In an input in Python, it's when we're asking the user, the person running the code, a question to type something in or to make a decision. So for instance, we could ask them what their name is. Well, we would say name equals input, brackets, and inside of the brackets we would write a string saying, what is your name? We would want to output that later, maybe by greeting them. So we could say print, hello, name, like that with a comma in between. So if I run that, you'll be able to see what that looks like. So in the Create with Code website, it comes up with a little box, so we can just put our name in and press OK. And there we go, it says, hello, Ms. Davis. We can ask more than one question. Ask, where do you live? So we can say location, input. We can do another print if we want. We can say you live in, comma, location. So let's run that. What is your name? Where do you live? Well, I'm going to say Bedford to keep it simple. Hey, Miss Davis, you live in Bedford. So, to recap, these are inputs. We have a variable followed by an equals, followed the word input, and a question inside as a string. And these are outputs. Anytime you print to the screen, these are outputs. So hopefully that will help you get your head around inputs and outputs in Python.